Hey everyone, it's Kimberly, your go-to real estate agent in Tucson, Arizona, and today I am thrilled to introduce you to my latest listing in beautiful Marana, Arizona. Welcome to this lovely 2-bedroom plus den, 2-bath home on a large corner lot in the desirable Continental Ranch active adult community. With 1,484 square feet of single-level living, this home features all tile flooring throughout, no carpet, a bright, neutral interior with all white paint, and spacious open layout. The kitchen features all appliances included, even a newer refrigerator and microwave, plus ample cabinet and countertop space. The laundry room is complete with a utility sink, cabinets, and washer and dryer that stay. You'll love the massive primary suite, offering a walk-in closet and an attached full bathroom for privacy and convenience. The second bedroom and den provide flexibility for guests, hobbies, or a home office. Outdoors, enjoy your cozy, private back patio with extended pavers, a sunscreen, mountain views, and desert landscaping that wraps around the property. The extended 2-car garage offers built-in cabinets and a workbench area for hobbies and extra storage. Energy-efficient upgrades include dual-pane E-glass windows, Tech Shield radiant barrier roof sheathing, a newer HVAC unit, newer hot water heater, and regularly serviced water softener and purifier system. Exterior lights on automatic timers enhance both security and evening ambiance. But don't forget about the area. You're just a short stroll from the community clubhouse with pool and spa, pickleball and tennis courts, bocce courts, and putting greens, plus billiards, workout, and recreation rooms. Enjoy easy access to Interstate 10 with quick commutes to downtown Tucson, Saguaro National Park West, and the Arizona Sonoran Desert Museum. You'll also find restaurants, grocery stores, medical clinics, and shopping conveniently nearby. Some furniture may be available on a separate bill of sale, making this home truly move-in ready. These original owners have cared meticulously for the home, which blends comfort, convenience, and desert charm in one perfect package. When you or a friend are ready to purchase or sell a home in the Tucson area, I would love to assist. All my contact information is in the description below each video on this YouTube channel. I am a born and raised Tucsonan with in-depth knowledge to help you in your home buying journey. I specialize in relocation listings and luxury homes, and I work all over the city and suburbs. I have an extensive marketing package when you're ready to list your home for sale, and I feature all of my listings on this channel for additional advertising. Consider liking and subscribing to this channel to follow along with Tucson news and learn more about things to do and see and know about this city, my hometown. I really appreciate you hanging out with me today, and I will see you in the next Tucson video or when we go to buy or sell a home together.